Hello everyone, this is Kok Gay and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a small coffee table using epoxy resin and slices of Bakau tree trunk. Let me show you a glimpse of the amazing end results. Jeng 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 jeng! I believe that many of us have numerous bad experience or unsuccessful attempts when it comes to casting epoxy resin. Here are a few important tips that I must share with you. Number 1. Make sure your epoxy resin is formulated for casting river table, jewelry, and artwork. Number 2. Low viscosity. Good flowable epoxy resin will ensure zero voids and zero gaps. Number 3. Natural defoaming. You don't have to worry about those annoying bubbles. Number 4. Choose a good brand to ensure good quality. To be honest with you, I have failed multiple times casting river table or coffee table. And this time, I got it right. Ha 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 ha. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Bye bye for now.